Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. Toyota introduced the new Land Cruiser back in June this year, and now Lexus is getting ready to take the wraps off its luxury equivalent. The next generation LX will celebrate its world premiere on Thursday, October 14th, at 1:30 AM JST, which works out to Wednesday, October 13th, at 12:30 PM Eastern or 4:30 PM Greenwich Mean Time. The official debut will take place online courtesy of a live stream on YouTube. Lexus doesn't provide any details about its luxobarge, but the teaser image shows a wide LED light bar and the LX600 badge for what we assume will be a new range-topping version. It's not all too surprising, seeing as how the Japanese premium brand took the legal measures to register the nameplate with the United States Patent and Trademark Office in 2019 as well as in other countries. The absence of the letter H at the end tells us the powertrain will not be a hybrid, and assuming Lexus, unlike many other brands, still cares about what a badge represents, the LX600 should have a 6-liter engine. Frankly, that seems too much in today's downsizing era, especially since the Land Cruiser has lost both V8 gasoline and diesel engines. Side note, it wouldn't be the first 600 Lexus, as the previous Gen LS was available in an LS600H specification. There was even an open-top landaulet created by Belgian coach builder Carrot Duchatlet for the royal wedding of Prince Albert II of Monaco. The LS600H didn't feature a 6.0 liter mill, so we wouldn't count on the Lux 600 on having such a large engine either. Toyota has retired its flagship SUV from North America, but you can rest assured the LX will be available. Expect some major changes as a result of transitioning to the TNGAF platform, which in the Land Cruiser's case, has cut up to 441 pounds 200 kilograms of weight. The reputable off-roader is brimming with tech, featuring everything from a 360-degree camera to a fingerprint authentication system, and it goes without saying the LX will be at least just as sophisticated as its mainstream counterpart. Following its debut next week, the new Lexus LX should go on sale in North America likely in the first half of 2022. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.